Does your Audi have an automatic towbar, but you don't know how to use it? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you how to use the automatic towbar of your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Unlock and open the luggage compartment of your Audi. On the inside of the luggage compartment you will find this button. By using this button, your Audi will release the automatic towbar, which will come out from underneath the vehicle. To retract the automatic towbar, you must click on the button on the inside of the luggage compartment again. By doing so, the Audi will automatically store the towbar. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.